Hi, I'm Rosemary with Usborne Books and More, and I'm going to talk about nonfiction for little kids like toddlers, maybe 2 to 5, somewhere in there. As you know, we have tons and tons of nonfiction books for older kids, but we also still have great nonfiction books for the younger kids. So let's talk about those. First up is our Things to Spot books, and we have Things to Spot Out and About, Things to Spot at Home, and these books are awesome, awesome language builders. So, for instance, if you're on the go page, you can talk with your kiddo about who's driving the red car, or which car is the biggest, or which van is delivering the mail. So these are really great language skills, and it pairs real life activities with things in a book, so that makes that great connection for your kiddo. Which can is different? Which ice cream is the tallest? Those kind of things. So this is a good one for not only language, but just finding out about the world around you. We also have a wonderful series, our Peek Inside series. These are just a few. We have all of them you can find on the website. But these are perfect intro to nonfiction for toddlers. They come with really great illustrations and colors, some flaps here. So this one's at the zoo. So again, it's pairing what your child has probably already experienced at the zoo and reading about it and learning about the animals and who lives in the water, which ones eat which kind of food. It's all really interactive and really fun. So I love the Peek Inside series for the age range of like 2, 3, 4, somewhere in there. After Peek Inside, once they graduate from that, we have our Look Inside series, and this book is our look inside your body. And this book is really great because every little kid is wondering about his or her body and what it's doing, and muscles and bones. And I just love that there's like flaps within flaps here. But it's all great information and large pictures and large text that they can discover with you. Looking at the digestive system, all kinds of fun things. So our Look Inside series are also really great after they have graduated from the Peek Inside series. We have First 100 Words, and we have this in several languages. This is the Spanish one, and this is great because it gives a situation like in the park, and it talks about all the vocabulary that might occur in the park. And we also have a First 1,000 Word series, and those have 1,000 words instead of 100, and we have way more languages in that one, like Polish and Japanese and Hebrew, all kinds of things. We have a First Book About series. This one's How Things Grow. This one is great too because it's like a lot of vocabulary, as you can see here: grass, dandelion, peaches, watering can. And then it goes more in depth, like the life of a flower, how seeds are spread, differences in like tree fruits and tree nuts and those kinds of things. I really like this book. This is really great, especially in the springtime, harvest time. We have What Makes It Rain, which is great for talking about weather and wind, lightning, rainbows, all kinds of question and answers about rain, weather, those kinds of things. Why is the sun hot? Where does snow come from? Why does it snow? This book is really, really great if your kids are wondering about weather. We have a Big Book series. This is the Big Book of Big Animals, but we have trains and tractors and ocean animals and all kinds of them. So just type in Big Book into the search bar on the website. But these have amazing illustrations. I just love it. And they come with these awesome fold-out 4-page flaps here. 4-page fold-outs. Really fun. Full of facts. My daughter is only 2 and she loves this book. She just likes to look at all the animals. Even comes with the creepy crawling animals. So this is the big book series. Really, really great. We have 2 books here. I Want to Be a Lion Tamer and I Want to Be an Astronaut. And these are books that highlight occupations based on adventurous occupations and occupations that deal with animals. So in I Want to Be an Astronaut, they talk about being an archaeologist, being an astronaut, a spy, an adventurer. So that's really great if you've got a kid that's wondering about what they want to be when they grow up and learning about different things around them. Same thing with the animal one, an animal rescue volunteer, a dog walker, exotic bird breeder, etc. And I love the illustrations. They're really kind of retro, vintage. They're cute. We have a Lift the Flap series also, and this is the numbers one. We have words, we have opposites, we have colors, but these are great for your preschooler who's learning different concepts. And so you can pair up, Lift the Flap for penguins. You got 6 here, and then you would count the 6 penguins over here. Matching again the numbers with the rocket, matching down here who gets the letter with door number 7. It's just really, really cute, really great. At the end of the book, it talks about odd numbers and even numbers. So this is a good one for kiddos who are a little bit older. We have a very first book series. This is the dinosaur one. There's also space and the world. But again, this is kind of just like an introduction to dinosaurs. And it's really cute. And it talks about dinosaurs in the ocean, in the air, what happened to the dinosaurs. So we have tons and tons more books for when they're older, but this is great for toddlers and preschoolers. And finally, we have our Lift and Look books. We have ocean, we have planes, we have several others, but these are really great because they come with really thick, sturdy pages and some really great flaps inside. And on every page in the airplane one, you have to find a little blue bird. And they talk about different kinds of airplanes and the different reasons people are in airplanes. Really cute. And then in the ocean one, on every page, you have to find the little fish that looks like Nemo. So